Now let's do some quick arithmetic on sub-array related problem, right? So let's see if A array is there, N is the size, and K is the window size. So here we have taken an example. So this is an array A where we have 5 elements and window size we are considering is 3. Now first thing that we have to come up with is what is the total number of sub-arrays of all possible sizes, right? Now we know sub-array is a contiguous part of an array. So if I see A as an array, just think in your mind how many sub-arrays will be there of size 1. So we know since there are 5 elements in total, so there are 5 sub-arrays of size 1 because 12 alone is a sub-array, 3 alone is a sub-array, 6 alone is a sub-array, 90 alone is a sub-array, and 50 alone is a sub-array, right? So we have 5 sub-arrays of size 1. If I ask about how many sub-arrays are of size 2, you will know like this is 1, 12, and 3. The next is 3, 6. Next is 6, 90. Next is 90, 50. So we have 4 subarrays of size 2. Same way we will have 3 subarrays of size 3, 2 subarrays of size 4, and 1 subarray of size 5. So if you add all of them together, then it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is sigma n. So overall number of subarrays that are possible of any given size is always equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So most of the times when we solve these problems, it's very easy to come up with n square or n cube solutions because once we have come up with a subarray, if we want to do some computation on the subarray, sometimes our solutions become n cube also. Right? So keep in mind that subarrays of any array are n into n plus 1 by 2. Now let's move to the second question. If we have been also, let's say here is 3. So how many subarrays are there of fixed size k? So if I ask you how many subarrays are there of size 3, then we actually saw that 3 size array were actually 3 because it is 12, 3, 6, then 3, 6, 90, and then 6, 90, 50. So if you want to come up with a formula for that, then it will be n minus k plus 1. That is the number of subarrays that we have of size k. Now, last question is if you want to know like the last start index at which a subarray will start if k is the size of the array. So we know if k is 3, then 6 is the last element where 3 size subarray can start because it will be 6, 90, 50. After 6, we cannot have a subarray because there are only 2 elements left after that. So if you want to come up with what is the index of that element, then the index comes out to be n minus k. So n minus k is a start index in the array where the k size subarray starts. So this is the last subarray's start index. Right? So keep these numbers in mind because we'll be using these to kind of learn the technique of sliding window.